In this video, I'm going to show you how to add credit card on OnlyFans. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open OnlyFans on your device and sign in to your OnlyFans account. Now in here, go ahead and head over to the add card section by clicking on the add card button. Now in here, just go ahead and fill in all the required information under the billing details, such as your country, your state, or province, along with your address, your city and postal or zip code, and along with the required card details such as your email, your name on the card, your card number, your expiration date, and CVC. And after you fill out all of this information, you should tick on this box to be able to confirm that you're above 18 years old. You can just go ahead and hit on the submit button to submit this, and you can connect Visa, Mastercard, Maestro, Diners Club, Discover, and JCB cards on OnlyFans. This can be debit or credit cards that you have, and that's how you can simply add credit card on OnlyFans. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.